Hi, my name is Gilbert Alba. Um, my field of study for right now is Masters in AI for the College of Innovation and Design. Um, my bachelor's degree is in software development from WGU. Um, where I work now is at a company called Agility. I just started with them. Basically, uh, we deliver and pick up medical equipment from hospital patient rooms. Um, we don't really do anything with computers or anything. We're just basically a delivery service. Um, the programming languages that I studied were Java. Um, that was mostly what I studied in WGU. That was what my capstone was on or was with. And then I have a little bit of SQL, JavaScript, and HTML, CSS. Um, I worked with that a little bit more. I I did my um, profile website with that, and I I did a small project also in Android Studio, and I took a course in C++. Um, what I expect out of this class is to learn Python to a point where I could become proficient with it, proficient enough to where I can uh, have my ideas come across well, my AI ideas come across well in the Python language. Um, yeah, just being able to be proficient enough in that. And I'm interested in artificial intelligence because like one, it's the future of of computers and the world. And also, uh, I look at computers as basically like a tool. It's just a more advanced tool, like a really advanced tool than say a hammer or a saw. And AI is able to enhance that tool, to a point that uh, it's never, or to a point that it hasn't been at in a long time. And hopefully I'll be able to use this tool very good with this master's program.